They should have killed Miracle. Here, Addy. Hey, what's your name? Miracle. The fuck up. The fuck up.
People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeak, and today we have some more updates and topics on current affairs in the media and in dancehall culture. But before we get into this, let's leave a like, subscribe and comment on this video. It helps out the channel a lot and it costs you literally nothing. With that being said, let's get into the video. Jamal remains in police custody after turning himself in last Friday. People, I'm not really sure how I'm going for the artist, but let's just hope say he make it out. Here's a clip of Jamal and Skipper together.
Listen, stop the music. I'm telling you something. Listen, my father. I don't want nobody having no noise, man. You see one that yet. Just stay out and fucking video life. I'm going around with people with that 13-year-old. I say if you just start fuck with you, go find a peers. I'll be a murderer there, don't run for the back. A back and place today, yeah. Let the people them big clap too. They see them too, yeah. When they go on around this stuff. I don't care if you don't pass the age of being too young. Listen to me. When you look too young, come forward up front. Make some big girl forward up front. Make some big old girl come up front to where fuck all that. Make some big old girl come up front to where fuck all that.
Yo, I think they are going good up until the last part. Out of everything what the artist could have choose to say, that him really choose. Anyways, on to the next topic. Lisa Ike goes on live and claims that Vybz Kartel killed Miracle. Listen to this.
I forgive you. I have to forgive you now. I have to forgive you. I would get my hand dirty and I have to keep my hand clean. Government badness and joy. System me and make evil things to me. When I can't draw me out. Vent me and vent. They should have killed Miracle. Here, Addy. Hey, what's your name? Miracle. The fuck up. The fuck up. The fuck up, you know, Addy. The fuck up, my general. The fuck up, my general. The fuck up, Addy. The fuck up. I want to kill Miracle. I want to kill Miracle. What did the God bless me with that? Kill me with that. Kill me with that. Everything good, Addy, man. Everything good. Everything good, my general, man. Everything good, yeah.
I'm not really sure what she's talking about, but I found this article from 2022 where she states that she wanted to keep a memorial dance for her miracle baby who died in a miscarriage. People, that sounds very sad to be honest, but let's move on to the next topic. St. Anne woman arrested for the murder of her child's father. The St. Anne police have taken a woman into custody for the murder of her child's father during a domestic dispute in the parish on Sunday evening. The deceased has been identified as 37-year-old Swain Reveres, a call center agent of Queens Drive in Montego Bay, St. James. I'm sorry for mispronouncing the last name, but this is a very sad situation. That child will now grow up without a father and potentially without a mother also, because the mother will be behind bars. But let's hear what some social media users have to say about this. Let's read the comments together. Is she of unsound mind? Only when a man do things they get the free card unsound mind. No, she isn't. What is wrong with these people? This is not a time to be making it about man versus woman. A woman murdered a man. Anyways, on to the next one. Lip lock. Cause if me never strong, me kill mine. I understand, but you are wrong. Talk truth. Yo, what is wrong with people? Or me not read right? Hold on, make us see the rest of them. That's a different type of anger. I wonder what pissed her off so badly. Let's take a look at some more. Would love to meet you. Your name fit you, Devil Bish. Right now, I can't judge, because if I not stand up strong, and me next I go dip on news, because I have one day I tried the last screw where hold up my nerve. R.I.P. Swain, can't believe. R.I.P. Pluto. R.I.P. to a humble soul. Well, based off of these comments and judging upon what me I see, these are the type of things that make Sir P say that
These people are vile.
anyway. R.I.P. Swain, your daughter will be missing you. So far, this video has been quite spooky, so let's end it off on a more positive note.
Yeah, Moby a baddest jelly man, the world baddest jelly man. Blindfold. No boy no better than this. Yeah, see it ya, real jelly. Blindfold.
Love punani bad, love punani. All I'm on there will love a clean pum pum, putting on in our ear. Blood clot, Jesus Christ. You think me brought me back? Lock off the rhythm, turn off the music. I want them girls that push me. Ah, God. Jesus Christ, somebody come save me. Love punani door.
Anyways, people, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Hit that notify bell when you subscribe so you don't miss our latest updates. Also, I have a new Patreon account, so try to support me there. It will help the channel grow a lot. That's it for now. Birdnation, stay sharp.